elementary school. The honorable teacher, judges, parents, and my beloved friends, good morning. Thanks for the chance given to me. In this chance, I would like to tell a story about the lion and the mouse. Let me begin. It was a hot day. A lion was sleeping in a forest. A little mouse was playing here and there near the lion. La, 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 la. The mouse sang happily, but suddenly, the mouse slipped and fell onto the lion's nose. "Ah! You mistake me! I will eat you!" The lion got angry. The little mouse was afraid. But the little mouse said, "Oh, Mr. Lion, I am really sorry. It is my mistake." "No," the lion said. "Oh, Mr. Lion, please forgive me." The mouse begged for forgiveness over and over. And then the lion let him go. "Thank you, Mr. Lion. I will pay you someday." One day, the lion was trapped in a net. Roared the lion angrily. The little mouse heard the roar of the lion. He saw the lion was trapped in a net. "Don't worry, Mr. Lion, I will help you." The mouse began to bite the net with his teeth. Soon the net was cut and the lion was free. He was happy. He thanked the little mouse. "Thank you, little mouse." They lived as friends from that day. Ladies and gentlemen, the moral value of the story is, don't forget someone's kindness and reply kindness with kindness. Thank you and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.